Hello there, I'm here to review this product I received from Amazon. It's a lighter which is used for camping. I just had a look inside, I opened it up and I thought to do a video on this. Usually I was thinking about just doing pictures, but I think things like these really need to be video to have, you know, to do justice to them really. When I first looked at it, I thought, I looked at it, I thought, what's going on? What's this? Where's the manuals? How do I use this? I gather this is a, what's it called? A bottle opener. There's a ruler. You can see the markings of a ruler in here. That, I don't know what it's for. Then I thought, how do I use this? How to look here. It's just all kind of cryptic. I just don't understand it. Then I looked in here, nothing manual inside. Then I looked inside here, over here on the back. There is the really simple instruction that says, just take this whole thing off. Yes, it's a piece of metal. It's not a device really. It's just a metal or some sort of metal basically. Yeah. So. It just says scratch it with the thingy here and it should just generate the spark. And then initially I was skeptical. I was like, this can never work. Then I thought, this is why I'm making the video, because it looks like it does spark. So if I just do, you can see that. I'm actually surprised, I really am. Whoa, look at that. So yeah, I mean, for that, it does work. Is it something I'll be using a lot myself? Not really. I'd rather use a cigarette lighter. It's more safer, more controlled. This is okay. I think I'll probably store it somewhere. Maybe I'll use it in my life one day, but not for now. So anyway, good product. Not bad. I think I thought people might like to see and learn how to use it, and at least just to see the review on it. The video of the product pictures does not really give indication of what is this. Is it a lighter you press and you fire a flame, or is it just something you scratch? So it looks like a scratcher thing. So you scratch it, just do it one more time, and now it stopped. So oh sorry, if I do it this way, it doesn't work. If I do it that way. And yeah, so there we go. So I hope that helps the others, or help you to decide what this is and to make up your mind if you wanted to buy it. It's an okay product. I wouldn't, as I said, I'll leave the full description in the review. So thank you very much and have a good day.
Well, I'm not going to try too hard to raise a spark in my kitchen. I don't think that would be a good plan, but obviously you're going to scrape like that. This has also got a knotted rope, which you can undo. Looks like a strong nylon rope. And at this end, you've got a whistle, which does work. So, quite a fun thing to teach your children how to start a fire out in the open. Anybody that likes a survival kind of programs will enjoy this. It's also got a little ruler. It's got a bottle opener. And as I said, a fire starty bit. So I'll have to take that outside and try with some very, very dry bits of kindling to see if I can. Well, I think you start off with straw. You can tell I've never done this before, can't you? But I'm fascinated by it. Yeah, making fire, elemental.
Yay! Ta-da! We have a fire in the sink. It does work eventually.
Oh, here we go. It's on fire.